Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to TAITRA's Taiwan Greentech and Environmental Solutions. My name is Chen Hao. TAITRA helps Taiwanese industries to promote their products and services internationally through marketing, exhibitions, and trade missions. In response to COVID-19 and the diverse environmental challenges that we're facing, today we have brought together 5 Taiwanese companies in environmental technologies to share their latest with you. The first presentation is from Active Technology Engineering. Jason Liao, the sales engineer at Active, will introduce their company and products, focusing on boiler plus economizer and also their rotor plus oxidizer system.
Hi, it is a pleasure to represent Active to speak to you today. Many thanks for TAITRA and TGPF for the support and invitation. So I could be here today to talk about the solutions for environmental issues that we have today. So in today's video, I will break it into 3 parts. Firstly, I would like to talk briefly about the air pollution issues. Secondly, I will introduce about Active and what we do. And in the third part, let us have a look at the engineering solutions we could provide for the flue gas treatment. Okay, let us start from the air environmental issues. Here are the common air pollutants from the industries. Volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, are typically hydrocarbons like alkanes and aromatic compounds. They are commonly generated from petrochemical, painting, printing, optoelectronics, and semiconductor industries. VOCs are hazards to human health and contributes to formation of smog. Particulate matters are small airborne particles such as dust, ash, and all sorts of powder. They can be generated from many different processes, such as solid waste treatment, cement, glass making, food processing, and many others. Sulfur oxides and nitrogen oxides, or SOx, or NOx for short, are often associated. SOx is generated from the combustion of sulfur content fuel, such as coal. Acids are either in vapor form, such as hydrogen chloride or hydrogen fluoride, or in liquid form as mist, such as sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Acids emissions are often from manufacture process with surface cleaning, which is quite common in metal processing, electronics, optoelectronics, and semiconductor industries. These are the 5 pollutants that are commonly regulated by local environmental regulations worldwide. This means we have to decrease this pollutants level before release it to the atmosphere. However, treating these pollutants always comes with a cost in terms of money. So here, we have a real engineering challenge to find a perfect balance between pollution control and cost. And so, we need a solution provider. And here, I think it's a good timing to introduce to you about Active. Active is founded in 1993 and has been providing engineering solutions for air pollution control for more than 20 years. We are not only take EPC turnkey environmental projects, but also design and supply the main equipment by our own. We are based in Taiwan and have 2 branch companies in mainland China, and our services are provided to everywhere in the world. Our expertise are in providing the best feasible air pollution control systems and solutions to our clients. We are experienced in a wide range of equipment that allows us to provide the best fit products for our clients' requirement. We also have great sales and service team that ensure good communication. Our field team is highly experienced and skilled to solve any problems on site. Finally, all of our systems are highly integrated and fully automatic. This means to operate our air pollution control system can be as simple as push one button like your air conditioners at home. Active have hundreds of references in a wide range of industries in the various countries. It is our company spirit to value our every single one of project. We are keen to develop long-term collaboration relationships with our clients. Finally, let me introduce some solutions we provided for the air pollution control. Right now, you are looking at a concentrated rotor system. It is an ideal system to treat most of VOCs. A rotor system can typically achieve 95% of VOC removal efficiency. Active is able to and has been achieved 99% efficiency. The rotor absorbs the VOC contents in its body when flue gas passes through. So flue gas is cleaned after leaving the rotor and can be released to atmosphere. The absorbed VOC is then dissolved again by using only a small fraction of hot gas. Rotor body is then become clean again and start with a new VOC absorption cycle. On the other hand, rotor system is usually combined with the oxidizer system. The desorption gas with a high VOC content then sent into oxidizer to break VOC into water and carbon dioxide. The heat from breakdown of VOC can be recovered and used for rotor desorption. This minimized energy consumption also largely reduced the operation cost. Active also supply many different kinds of oxidizers for all sorts of application. Another energy-saving option is waste heat boiler and economizer. It is usually installed at outlet of hot flue gas or downstream of oxidizer to retrieve heat from hot exhausted gas. Depends on the design, it can be typically recovered 50 to 80% of waste heat and produce steam. Dust collectors are for remove and collect particulate matter. Active supply many different types of dust collector. Here, I will introduce two of them. One is ceramic filter or CF. Another is wet electrostatic precipitator or WEP for short. For CF, when the flue gas passes through the gas permeable filter element, dust stopped on the one side of the element, where only clean gas can pass through the other side. When the dust accumulation gets too much, we usually use a pulse jet of compressed air to push the dust out of the element. The dust then will fall and can be collected and removed from the system. The advantage of CF is it can be achieved very low dust emission, typically less than 5 mg per normal cubic meter. Also, ceramic elements allows high temperature filtration, usually as high as 300 to 400 degrees. With the combination of alkaline solvents, CF can also contribute to SOx removal. By adding catalyst into ceramic filter, CF could also remove NOx, dioxin, or VOC at the same time. It is a great advantage to remove particulate matter, SOx, and NOx at all at the same time in one set of equipment. It will largely save cost, space requirements, and makes it much easier to operate and maintain. WEPs is functioning quite differently. In a WEP, a series of electrodes release electric charge to the particles, makes them negatively charged. The charged particles are then attracted to another series of electrodes with opposite charge by electrostatic attraction. As there will be a thin layer of water periodically or constantly flow on the surface of the collecting electrode, the particles will be washed away and separated from the flue gas. WEP are also highly efficient in removing particulate matter. The advantage of WEP is it can be integrated with a wax scrubber to treat SOx and acids in both vapor and mist form. WEP are also commonly used for removing very fine particles or most of the time of liquid mist from the flue gas. Finally, candle filters are commonly used for remove liquid mist from the flue gas. The glass fiber inside the filter elements act like very fine web. When the flue gas is carrying very small droplets of liquid and flow through the filter, the droplets will collide onto the web and being captured and collected. Candle filters are very easy to operate, also has the advantage of low cost, and it is very simple. So, the rotor system with heat boiler, CF, WEP, and candle filter that I just briefly introduced today are just a fraction of air pollution control technology. There are still many different equipments or systems that we can supply to fit specific needs. Active is professional in providing such system and making advices for our clients' best interest. Please visit our website for more detail. The catalog of our systems are available for download on our website as well. Also, please do not hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. Once again, it is a great pleasure to talk to you today. Thank you very much for watching this video. We are looking forward to hear from you soon. See you next time.
Our second presenter is Dr. Yuzhen Huang, Manager at Everclear Environmental Engineering. It is an EPC and advanced wastewater treatment supplier Today, Mr. Huang will share with us on some of their core technologies, including BioNet, FBR Fenton, FE Red Fenton, and more.
Everclear is funded in 1999 and specializes in water treatment, especially in industrial wastewater treatment. Everclear is one wastewater treatment total solution provider based in Taiwan, and our service includes design, detailed design, critical equipment supply, construction, supervision, and commissioning. With our rich experience and excellent service in industrial wastewater treatment, Everclear went public and was listed in Taipei Exchange in 2019. Everclear owns several crucial patent technology, such as anaerobic fluidized bed technology, upflow anaerobic sludge bed technology, BioNet technology, fluidized bed Fenton technology, and Red Fenton technology. To increase our research and development abilities, we established one advanced laboratory and collaborated with research institutes and universities continuously. We are able to proceed various wastewater treatment feasibility studies and research projects with our comprehensive testing pilots and analytic instruments. Everclear has full ability in engineering service of design, construction, and supervision. We are also well experienced in treatment of different types of wastewater and have built great reputation. Our largest reference is daily capacity of 160,000 cubic meters per day. The industries of our references include textile industry, leather industry, chemical industry, pulp and paper industry, food industry, semiconductor industry, and optoelectronics industry. We have accomplished more than 300 references worldwide. They are located in China, Northeast Asia, Southeast Asia, West Asia, Central America, and as far as Africa. Everclear devotes ourselves in developing practical water reuse and recycle technologies and collaborate with more environmental companies to develop the water treatment market. Meanwhile, we are also looking for more opportunities and partners abroad. In the past few years, we have joined many professional exhibitions in different countries, such as China, Vietnam, Indonesia, and India. We guarantee to provide all our customers high quality and effective wastewater treatment solutions.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Yuan Huang, Head of R&D Department of Everclear. Today is my great honor to introduce Everclear and our core technologies. Everclear is founded in 1999, and we are specialized in industrial wastewater treatment, and we provide a service of EPC projects, and also design, detailed design, installation, commissioning. Actually, Everclear, we are a total solution provider, and we are specialized in advanced water treatment. Today, I want to introduce our 6 core technologies. We have technologies are USB, AFB, BioNet, FBR Fenton, Red Fenton, and FBC. Each technology has its advantages. For example, USB, we can get biogas from this technology and can be a source of biomass energy. AFB is one very powerful technology for nitrate removal, and we use a fluidized bioreactor to get a very, very good performance. BioNet is one high porosity carrier which make organics stay inside and can purify water. FBR Fenton is a tertiary treatment which uses fluidized bioreactor to oxidize organics. This technology wins Taiwan Excellence Award in this year. Fluid Fenton technology is also one modified Fenton technology which uses electrolysis tank to decompose the organics. FBC technology is an ELI technology which can make waste recovery because we can generate high purity crystal after this technology. FBR Fenton technology is one modified Fenton system which utilizes ferrous and hydrogen peroxide to generate hydroxyl radical to decompose organics. Through this technology, we can tremendously reduce the ferrous dosage, and also we can get a ferric crystal. This formation can get very, very tremendous large reduction and overcome the disadvantage of Fenton system. Why do we use FBR Fenton system? From this table, we can see that no matter the running cost, no matter the capital cost, FBR Fenton system is the lowest. And also, we have a very, very good sales in the global market. This slide shows the real-time data of one CETB reference in mainland China. From this table, you can see that even though the input COD is very unstable, from 120 plus minus 20 milligram per liter, but we can keep the output COD at less than 50, which is the regulated COD standards. The other core technology is BioNet. BioNet is one high porosity carrier, which has a very, very huge surface area. We use this technology in surface water treatment, in groundwater treatment, and somehow we can combine BioNet technology with FBR Fenton system. This case study is from one laser industry. We combine FBR Fenton system and BioNet technology. Through this table, you can see that after FBR Fenton system, the output COD is around 76 plus minus. And after the principle is that after FBR Fenton system, the BC ratio can increase. So we can use biological treatment to bring down the COD. So right now, the output COD of this case is around 65. The other core technology is Fluid Fenton. In this system, we use the electrolysis tank. We can have the electrolysis reaction, which transform ferric, go back to ferrous. And then in this system, we can have a very tremendous ferrous usage. For example, in some projects, we can reduce the sludge up to 90%. Here comes the case study. In this case study, the wastewater is from pipeline cleaning in one power plant. The concept of we design this system is because that in our end user, they have several power plants and they need some technology to treat the pipe cleaning wastewater, and the characteristic of the wastewater are almost similar. So we design a containerized system, and we build it, and we make our customer, they can transport the system to a different plant. From the slide, you can see that the treatment efficiency, and the efficiency we can guarantee the output COD can reach. They request 1500. Everclear is one technology-based company, and we tie up with ITRI, and we tie up with some institute, and we have some patents. So since 2010, we set up our lab, and so far we have 5 patents, and we have run more than 15 research projects. The strength of Everclear is we can provide our customer the customized solution, and also we can handle very large projects. For example, our largest project right now, the capacity is 160,000 cubic meters per day. As to our business model, because we have core technologies, so we can tie up with local companies abroad, and we can provide our core technology to them, and so we can build up the connections, and we can do the collaboration. Recently, we have finished some, I would say, advanced projects. We not only run our business in advanced treatment, we also run the business in water recovery, and also some power plants, and also the bioenergy production. We use different technology. We can achieve this kind of different kinds of applications. Until now, Everclear have finished more than 300 references, and we provide our service in 14 countries. And not only we take care of the existing customer, we also joined a lot of professional experience abroad, and we want to build up more connections with our customers. So this is my presentation, and thank you so much. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me if necessary. Thank you so much.
Our third presenter today will be from Speedtech Energy. Ms. Emma Huang, Sales Manager, will share with us on their solar PV and LED solutions.
Hello everyone, are you looking for a reliable partner who can help you resolve energy issues through a solar power? If yes, Speedtech could help. My name is Emma Huang of Speedtech Energy. Let me briefly introduce our company. The company was established in 2002. We manufacture solar panels, but we also provide a variety of solar appliances. Since the year 2009, we invested globally. We have our branch office in Tokyo, Japan, and also 3 factories in the different geographic zones, such as Burkina Faso, El Salvador, St. Kitts and Nevis. So this is our global presence. Our mission is actually to find a solution to the current energy challenges, such as energy price on the rise, climate change, over 2 billion people living without the reliable energy. So the solution we provide to our customer is actually to generate more power through the power system installation. The second one is actually to provide standalone solution. The third one is actually provide the energy saving technology through LED applications. Speedtech Energy has its expertise to manage solar energy projects of any scale and deliver turnkey solution to the customer. We also have a very qualified expert in solar energy to help the customer design the system and deliver the work. No matter it's on-grid or off-grid system. Up to now, we have done 253 solar power plants around the world. So you can see here in Africa, in America, Caribbean, and also Asia, for like different government buildings and hospitals and university schools. We also have a smaller scale solar system for home use. Customization is a key. It can help satisfy the client's need. So we offer the on-grid system and off-grid system. We also provide the DC house appliances, such as DC fan, DC TV, DC freezer, or DC LED lighting. We also provide hybrid solar system for home, which means connected to 3 power sources, such as solar power, grid power, and also the power from the generator. Talking about the solar water pumping system, we can do this for the potable drinking water, or we can do that for irrigation. In our system, we try not to integrate the battery because we want to make the system affordable and it can last much longer. So we try to pump the water in the daytime and reserve the water in the tank and for the night usage. So this is the installation. You see here the small well, and we put our solar water pump, then you can bring you as much water as you want. We also make the solar desalination system to make seawater drinkable. Of course, for the second one, standalone system, it's a system with the battery integration. Our solar street lights are good quality and resistant against severe climate factors such as heat, saline air, and also humidity. We have all-in-one design. We also have different sensor integration to make the street lights smarter and multifunctional. So this is all installation in different continents. We also provide wireless standalone emergency communication. This item can be widely used for the big scale activities and also for the road construction at night. We offer diverse traffic signs to help the road safety. We also integrate CCTV and the spotlight into the solar system for security reasons. We also provide solar kit as a portable home system. You can bring this LED lamp anywhere you want, since the battery is integrated in the lamp. We also have customers living on the islands needs like a waterproof LED tube. Then we make it portable as well. Since the year 2011, Speedtech Energy provides the mini solar light bar, help literacy of the children in Africa. This is an item equipped with a solar panel on the top, so students can bring this lamp, put under sunlight for 5 hours, and the lighting hour can last 12 hours. So they can use for the night to study and to do their homework. We have like a solar radio with a multiple function. They have a SOS alarm, LED lighting, and they have a radio and MP3 music. Of course, it can also use as a power bank for phone charging. We also provide a solar fan and mini all-in-one portable fan. For the countries where people suffer mosquito disease, such as malaria, dengue fever, chikungunya, we also offer them the solar mosquito trap in the domestic and the public area. The third solution we provide to the customer is for the customer who are living in the North Europe or like Russia, where they don't have sufficient sunlight for the whole year. So we recommend them to use like LED appliances to help them reduce their power consumption in lighting. Our core values is to quickly respond to the personalized solar system and product design, cost-effective solutions, and of course, reliable, high-quality product. The most important one is we are able to provide the customer services immediately. There are more than 40 foreign countries we have been working with in the past 20 years. Going through the NGO project, we have all these partners listed on the slide. If you are the one who is looking for the solar solutions, we are here for you. Thank you.
Our fourth presenter today is from Voltronic Power. Voltronic is well known for their ODM service to major international brands for technologies including various types of inverters and UPS. Ms. Vivian Ko, Marketing Department Manager, will share more with us.
Welcome to the Voltronic Power online stand. We're the #1 100% ODM UPS and inverter manufacturers in Asia and provide full range of UPS up to 600 kVA and solar inverter up to 120 kilowatt operating in parallel. We have 4 factory locations in China, Vietnam, and Taiwan. We have over 4,000 staff, 350 RG engineers, with 120,000 square meters production floor. We supply over 6 million units of UPS and inverters worldwide. Please tell us which products and power rating interest you the most, or scan this QR code for more detailed information.
Here shows our main UPS product lines. We produce the UPS from 400 VA up to 600 kVA. The product lines cover from standby non-interactive, single-phase online, and also three-phase online UPS. For standby non-interactive UPS, we have the UPS range from 400 VA up to 3 kVA. For both modified sine wave and also pure sine wave models. For single-phase online UPS, the product line is from 1 kVA up to 10 kVA. The UPS output power factor is from power factor 0.8, 0.9 up to 1.0. For three-phase product lines, we have standalone online UPS from 10 kVA up to 200 kVA, and also have the modular UPS for 10 kVA, 20 kVA, 30 kVA, and also 60 kVA power modules. Except the high-frequency transformer-less models, we also have the three-phase online UPS with transformer base from 10 kVA up to 300 kVA. Except the UPS, we also produce the power inverter and solar inverters. For inverter product lines, we have off-grid inverters from 1 kVA up to 45 kVA in parallel, and also hybrid inverters from 1 kilowatt up to 120 kilowatt. Except the inverters, we also develop our own connectivities that include Modbus card, SNMP card, Wi-Fi card, and also the GPRS module. We also have the energy meter supporting the self-consumption. For off-grid inverters, we have standalone inverter and also have the inverter which is able to support the parallel for single phase and also three phase. For hybrid inverter, we have the premium models with VDE certificate, which is available for European market. We also have the cost-effective hybrid inverter still with IEC certificate, which is suitable for these developing countries. For off-grid inverters, we have 2 types of models. This one is our standalone inverters. We have this product line range from 1 kVA up to 5 kVA with 12 volt, 24 volt, and 48 volts battery. These off-grid inverters, they are all with power factor 1.0. We also available for different models with MPPT SCC or PWM SCC from 40 amps charging current up to 80 amps on variable models. Besides, we also have expert VM2, VM3 with high PV input voltage. These models can support battery independent operation. It means you can operate this model even the battery is not available. The inverter can convert the PV power to the connected load directly. For VM3 models, they are also supporting the lithium-ion battery BMS communication. So you can order the optional BMS box in order to communicate with the BMS. Besides, even for the models without BMS port, these models is also with inbuilt adjustable battery parameters. So you can configure the battery charging voltage, battery low cutoff voltage, and the charging current according to the spec of the lithium-ion battery pack. Then you also can use these inverters with these lithium-ion battery packs without BMS directly. Winner Pro 1 to 10 kVA online UPS is our very price competitive online UPS. The UPS is with power factor 0.08, but it is also available to upgrade it to power factor 0.09. This model can work with wide input AC range from 110 volt up to 300 volts. The for 1 to 3 kVA is also available to work under ECO mode for energy saving. If you request very stable output voltage and frequency, this series also can support the converter mode, which is also called CVCF mode. You can fix the output voltage and frequency with very stable range. The model for 6 and 10 kVA is also available to adjust the charging current through the LCD display. All these series can support cold start function. You can turn on the UPS from the battery directly.
Our last speaker today is Ms. Stephanie Tsai, Sales Representative for Zirco Applied Materials. Their U+ the One Solar Film and also their energy-saving glass has received a lot of attention due to its energy-saving applications.
Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie. It's really great to have this opportunity to share our successful energy-saving projects to you all on behalf of Zirco Company. Do you know there are many energy-saving methods, but most of them are focused on the equipment, such as using eco-friendly appliances and replacing old appliances with new ones. Now, we provide the most efficient method for you, which is the best energy-saving solution for buildings. Our mission is to put on buildings with a protective cover to block radiant heat and ultraviolet rays from the sunlight. It can make people in the house feel more cozy and at ease. U+ was founded in 2013. It's located in Taiwan Taoyuan City, NCU campus, National Central University. We have research and development technical team from NCU. We are devoted to some thermal insulating materials and energy-saving materials, especially in the construction industry. We also provide some consumer products for daily use. We have patents in more than 40 countries in the world and obtained Taiwan Green Building Material Label, Singapore Green Building Council Label with excellent grade. Fortunately, in 2020, U+ is not only obtaining Singapore Green Label, but also first approved window film brand by Malaysia Searing. We can make house as the base and divide it into exterior and interior applications. For starters, we are going to express the influence of UV rays. Ultraviolet, we call UV. It's composed of UVA, UVB, and UVC. Sometimes you may feel the skin is tanned or edged because of UVA. UVB may cause the sunburn, and UVC is more hazardous than UVB, but it's mostly absorbed by the Earth's upper atmosphere. UV rays can cause the furniture to fade, but don't worry. U+ can block 100% of UV rays. The sunlight is composed of visible light, UV rays, and infrared rays, but the UV light and infrared are harmful to our skin. The regular glass cannot block harmful rays. That's why you still feel hot, even if you stay indoors. U+ energy-saving glass blocks ultraviolet and infrared rays outdoors, while allowing visible light to pass through, so you can enjoy the warmth and brightness of the sun. Energy-saving glass is mainly used for new buildings. If your window has been installed and cannot be removed, don't worry. We also provide the easiest and fastest heat insulation method to solve your problems. U+ the One Solar Film. This is a very popular product in the international market. U+ solar film can be applied in buildings and automobiles. The One Solar Film has been tested by Chengkong University. Energy efficiency can reach more than 18%. And the indoor temperature decreases up to 5 degrees. U+ solar film is widely used by Tesla owners in Taiwan. It can increase the endurance of EV, electric vehicles, and extend battery life. In addition to energy-saving glass and solar film, U+ also provides other thermal insulation materials, such as insulating paint and FRP skylight panel. They are applied on the exterior of buildings. This is U+ thermal insulating paint. We use nano-ceramic pigment to reflect radiant heat of infrared. It is water-based paint with 5 to 10 years of weather resistance, and it is eco-friendly material. No harm to the environment. It comes in different colors, such as white, yellow, light gray, orange, and so on. It can be applied to the top roof of a building, parking lots, or exterior wall of the building, just like a mirror to reflect the heat away and keep the heat out. Next, there are the cases of energy saving. This is in Wanhua Junior High School. Every summer, the classrooms are very hot, so you need to turn on the air conditioner. However, the electricity bill must be paid by the students. But not every student's family's financial conditions are well, and some students cannot afford expensive fees. So we did a test. Put a solar film on the window of room 701. The test time was half a month. We have found that 701 classroom saves 3 kilowatts of electricity per day on average than other classrooms. After measuring it, it can save more than 26% of electricity. If 10 classrooms are implemented, the daily energy saving will be 60 kilowatts per hour, and the average monthly cost of 22 days will save 1,320 kilowatts per hour. So, after applying the film, it helps to save about $500 to $700 in electricity bills every month. Yearly average saved 42,000 NT dollars. The following are the applications in Taiwan and abroad. This is Taiwan Taoyuan International Airport, Singapore Zhangyi Airport, Taiwan Traditional Theater Center, and McDonald's in Taiwan, and so on. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook fan page and Instagram, and hit the subscribe button on UPlus YouTube channel.
Thank you for joining us today for TAITRA's Taiwan Greentech and Environmental Solutions. We hope that today's TAITRA's new product launch was informative and will bring lots of business opportunities and cooperation. We would also like to take this opportunity to thank today's company representatives, Jason, Yuzhen, Emma, Vivian, and Stephanie, for sharing on your companies and environmental solutions. You can see the QR code. Please scan it and complete the questionnaire, and we will send you today's presentations. If you have questions for our presenters or want more information on their products, TAITRA will also be holding an online trade meeting with today's companies on November 27, Taipei time, 1600, GMT+8, where you can speak to the company representatives. Please make sure to register. Goodbye for now, and best greetings from us here in TAITRA, Taiwan.